Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off your location on Snapchat. Let's get started. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. Swipe right twice to open Snap Map. If they haven't hidden theirs, you'll see a map with your location and your friends' locations. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. On the next screen, you'll see the My Location section option and an option labeled Ghost Mode. This mode allows you to hide your location from your friends on the Snap Map. If Ghost Mode is currently off, tap on the switch next to it to turn it on. This will ensure that your location is hidden from others. Choose your preferred option in the Ghost Mode dialog box. With Ghost Mode on, your friends won't see your location, but you can still see theirs if they haven't enabled Ghost Mode. That's it. You've turned off your location on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.